What's happening, everybody? The Poets here, and I want to do something a little different here. I know all of you are not on my TikTok or all of you are on my Twitter account, so some of you are going to be missing some interesting videos. This is going to be a compilation video to help you answer that question of, should you be buying a pre-built PC in 2021? This is the HP Omen 30L. I've done a couple of videos on YouTube, a number of videos on TikTok, some stuff on Twitter and Instagram. So this is going to be kind of a small compilation video in kind of portrait format. So hit the maximize button on your cell phone and you'll see a bit more of unboxings. We have HP keyboards here and mice. It's an interesting proposition from HP because finding PC hardware to build your own is very difficult, if not impossible right now for some hardware. And of course, prices are all over the place when it comes to eBay and, second market stuff. So I hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comment section if you actually like this format. And I won't do this often, but sometimes if there's a topic and I'll do a long summary like this may be useful for all of you. Let me know. Did you buy a pre-built PC in 2021? Well, it's interesting times. Buying hardware individually is a pain in the butt. This is the HP Omen 30L. It has an RTX 3080 in it, a 10900K Intel processor, i9, 32 gigs of RAM, 2 terabyte NVMe drive, another 2 terabyte, spinning rust. The case is okay. It has 120mm AIO, so stay tuned for more YouTube videos on this. This is the Vector mouse, very comfortable. I actually like it, not too loud. This is the Spacer keyboard by Omen. Not too bad. I like the feel of the typing. This is the Omen 27i. I love this monitor. I love this monitor. And this has the whole suite here, so if you want to control anything, because they're all Omen stuff, like charging the keyboard, charging the wireless mouse, adjust the monitor settings and the desktop. It's all right here. Playing Battlefield 5 right now on the Omen 30L. Got the tempered glass on and it's using about 570 watts. And let's see what the temperatures are like. So just minimize the game. You can see there's about at 50% usage for the 10900K. Temperatures are acceptable with 0 thermal throttling, and that's about 30 minutes of gameplay right there. I'm happy. I gotta say I'm happy with this gaming PC here. So this 10900K is being cooled adequately by this 120mm AIO for Battlefield 5 on max settings. Yep, I'm definitely impressed. No thermal throttling. This is a $3,099 pre-built PC with a 10900K and RTX 3080, and they included a questionable keyboard and mouse. HP saw my YouTube video, go ahead and check it out if you haven't, and they were like, you know what, we have better stuff. So that's what this is, better stuff. So I gave the stock keyboard and mouse to a kid in need, and HP sent me this, Omen Vector. Alright, wireless mouse. Check it out. And this, it's the Omen Spacer wireless TKL keyboard. Interesting. Okay. Cherry MX, brown switches, detachable magnetic palm rest. English, okay. I do hope the previous mouse and keyboard that came with this system enjoys its new home while I enjoy this. It's the HP Omen 30L. Very impressive so far, but the keyboard was questionable, so I sent it to a young man in need. And this is what they did send me now to try out. So this is their Cherry MX, the brown switches, wireless, does have a detachable magnetic palm rest. So let's open it up. Okay. Honestly, I like this subtle branding on the wireless receiver. That's kind of cool. Not entirely sure what this is. Set this aside for now. With papers and a wrist pad. Okay, that feels good. Nifty little braided cable. All right, and this definitely has some weight to it. This isn't breaking in half anytime soon. Let's do an audio test with this HP Omen Spacer keyboard with Cherry MX brown switches. All right, people, I'm torn because I honestly really like the way that this feels. The typing experience is really, really comfortable. Like, I, I absolutely love this typing experience. I do wish they were a little bit quieter because, I like quiet, like absolutely quiet keyboards, but this is, this is comfortable. I really like this. So let me know if there's any type of like switches that feel just like this, but are quieter. And I love the WSAD. I call it WSAD, forward, back, left, right. It's time to try the mouse out. Vector. Isn't that from Despicable Me? Holy large hands needed, Batman. This better not be a CD-ROM disc. So what came in the box? We have this dongle thingy, USB-C to old school. We have Brady cable, very nice, very comfortable actually. And we have this. If you have small hands, you're out of luck. If you have hands my size, stick for scale, there you go. Yeah, very, very comfortable. I like how it has grooves for the pointer and middle finger. The thumb rest has a nice little groove and grippiness. Yep, this is, I like the subtleness of USB-C or USB thing as well. Overall, Omen, I like the style. I will say that. Stay tuned for some maybe gameplay with all this stuff. Yeah. So that's all for this compilation. Let me know if you like this, if you don't like this. I just want to know because this is definitely something new, different that I'm just trying out. Like I said, it's not going to be all the time. This is just when maybe there's like something interesting going on, and I know a lot of you may appreciate some of the content. It is a different format. It's TikTok format, so it's, portrait mode. So make sure you hit that maximize button when you see this. And let me know if you have any questions. So far with the Omen 30L, it's definitely a gaming PC. It's been quiet for all the games that I've been really throwing at it. When it comes to video rendering though, like editing 4K video, it will get loud, very, very loud when it comes to rendering. It's a 10900K trying to be cooled by a 120mm AIO. That's fine for gaming so far, as I've been experiencing firsthand. But for video editing, it'll edit the videos, but once you hit that render button, it's a jet engine. So again, let me know what your thoughts on this, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.